Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. If you're a serious runner, triathlete, or fitness enthusiast, you're going to want to pay close attention because the upcoming Garmin Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be one of the most advanced smartwatches Garmin has ever created. Packed with cutting-edge performance metrics, a robust build, and potentially game-changing features like LTE connectivity and ECG monitoring, this wearable is already generating massive buzz in the fitness community. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the Garmin Forerunner 975, including its expected specifications, potential features, design improvements, rumored release date, and more. We'll also discuss what makes the Forerunner 975 unique compared to the already excellent Forerunner 965, and whether this upcoming device is worth the upgrade. So, lace up your running shoes. Let's get into the details of what could become Garmin's most elite running smartwatch of 2024. Design evolution. Rugged meets. Elegant Garmin's Forerunner series has consistently blended athletic aesthetics with high functionality, and the 975 is expected to continue this tradition with some welcomed refinements. While the Forerunner 965 featured a lightweight polymer case enhanced by a titanium bezel, the 975 could take durability and visual appeal a step further. Rumors suggest Garmin may adopt a tougher outer shell, possibly incorporating more metal components to appeal to outdoor explorers, mountain runners, and adventure racers. The casing may also come in various size configurations, allowing users with smaller wrists or preferences for lighter wearables to have a better experience. While exact dimensions haven't been confirmed yet, it's likely Garmin will stick close to the 47mm size used in the 965 while possibly slimming down the bezels or making the chassis more compact. We also expect interchangeable quick-release bands to remain part of the design. This flexibility allows users to easily switch from rugged silicone straps for trail running to more stylish bands for daily wear or work settings. New design keywords to consider: sleek sport watch design, ultra-durable smartwatch, multi-size, options, titanium smartwatch frame, customizable straps, lightweight GPS watch. Display technology: sharper, brighter, and more efficient. The Forerunner 965 broke new ground for Garmin with its 1.4-inch AMOLED display, delivering vivid colors, high brightness, and excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. If the leaks are accurate, the Forerunner 975 will retain this high-resolution screen, 454 pixels, but may take things a step further with increased brightness levels, thinner bezels, and an even more energy-efficient panel. The goal? Maximize visibility during daylight runs while conserving battery life during extended GPS tracking sessions or ultra-distance events. Some speculate that Garmin could use a newer AMOLED generation, possibly developed with better pixel management, to reduce burn-in and enhance outdoor readability. Additionally, Garmin is rumored to offer new custom watch faces, live widgets, and more interactive displays for the Forerunner 975, giving users the power to personalize their visual experience more than ever before. New display keywords: AMOLED fitness display, high-brightness smartwatch screen, bezel-less fitness watch, customizable watch face, low-power display tech, sunlight-readable screen. Performance upgrades and internal hardware. Garmin watches have always been solid performers, but the Forerunner 975 is expected to feature upgraded internal hardware that will make a noticeable difference in real-world usage. While the Forerunner 965 was already equipped with decent storage and RAM for maps, music, and training data, the 975 is rumored to increase that capacity, possibly bumping onboard storage to 64 GB or more. This extra space could be especially useful for users who like to download topo maps, music playlists, and offline workout routines. A faster and more efficient multi-core processor is also likely, ensuring smoother transitions between apps, quicker syncs with the Garmin Connect platform, and lag-free performance during real-time metric tracking. The possibility of an upgraded sensor suite is one of the most exciting aspects of the 975. Early leaks point to Garmin introducing the Elevate V5 heart rate sensor, designed for better skin contact, faster response times, and significantly enhanced accuracy. This could open the door for features like electrocardiogram, ECG tracking, which would represent a huge leap forward in Garmin's wellness capabilities. New performance keywords: ECG smartwatch, V5 optical sensor, advanced GPS chipset, fitness watch with large storage, ultra-fast Garmin processor, multi-core running watch, advanced health and fitness features. One of Garmin's most praised strengths is its comprehensive health and fitness ecosystem. With the 975, this is only expected to expand further. The Forerunner 965 offered top-tier health metrics like VO2 max estimation, training readiness, HRV status, training load balance, and sleep tracking. The Forerunner 975 will build upon this foundation with even more precise algorithms and the inclusion of additional wellness metrics. Expect features like ECG support, pending regulatory approval, enhanced sleep stages tracking, improved blood oxygen, SpO2, analysis, better body battery, energy tracking, potential skin temperature monitoring, more precise recovery time estimates, menstrual health and stress tracking enhancements. Garmin might also refine its training readiness score, integrating new metrics to better determine your daily performance capacity based on recent workouts, sleep, and recovery signals. These upgrades will appeal to serious athletes, endurance runners, and even biohackers looking for optimized health insights. New health tracking keywords: skin temperature smartwatch, ECG on Garmin, sleep recovery insights, SpO2 accuracy, Garmin, wellness suite, HRV monitoring wearable, female health smartwatch. Multisport and activity tracking enhancements. With any Forerunner, multisport tracking is core to the experience, and the 975 will likely improve across the board. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, swimmer, or triathlete, you can expect multi-GNSS support, power meter compatibility, and real-time pace metrics that adapt to various terrains and environments. What's more, Garmin may include dual-frequency GPS support, enhancing performance in urban environments, dense forests, or mountainous regions where standard GPS may falter. New sports profiles may also be introduced, such as trail ultrarunning, mountain biking, HIIT workouts, and even winter sports like cross-country skiing. Some sources also mention improvements in swim tracking, potentially with automatic stroke detection upgrades, advanced lap tracking, and improved water resistance, possibly reaching up to 10 ATM. New fitness tracking keywords: Ultra GPS watch, Multisport performance watch, triathlon-ready smartwatch, precision activity tracking, dual-band GPS wearable, swimming sports watch, connectivity. And LTE possibilities. One of the most talked about rumors regarding the Forerunner 975 is native LTE connectivity. This would represent a game changer for users who want to leave their phone at home but still stay connected. With LTE, you could access real-time live tracking, receive text messages, access emergency SOS services, and even stream music via services like Spotify or Amazon Music. Even if LTE doesn't make the final cut, users can still expect full Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and ANT Plus compatibility, allowing for seamless pairing with accessories like heart rate straps, cycling power meters, and smart indoor trainers. Enhanced Bluetooth 5.3 support could also allow for more reliable smartphone synchronization and faster data transfers. New connectivity keywords: LTE running watch, smartwatch with live tracking, ANT Plus cycling compatible, standalone fitness watch, Garmin with Wi-Fi and LTE, emergency smartwatch features. Battery life and solar charging potential. Garmin has always prioritized battery efficiency, and the Forerunner 975 is expected to continue this trend. The 965 already offered impressive longevity, up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and around 31 hours in full GPS mode. The 975 might push these numbers even further thanks to a more power-efficient AMOLED display and updated battery optimization algorithms. But the biggest rumor? Solar charging. If Garmin introduces solar-powered charging on the 975, it would dramatically improve battery endurance during long outdoor events like ultramarathons, backpacking trips, and multi-day adventure races. This feature alone would position the 975 as the ultimate wearable for outdoor athletes, survivalists, and endurance trainers. New battery and solar keywords: solar GPS watch, battery-efficient smartwatch, solar-powered fitness tracker, long battery life wearable, endurance. Athlete watch, solar Garmin Forerunner. software enhancements, and Garmin Connect integration. In addition to hardware improvements, the Forerunner 975 is expected to debut with the latest version of Garmin's software suite. This means better workout suggestions, smarter training status, reports, real-time coaching insights, and tighter integration with Garmin Connect Mobile. We may also see more custom app support via Connect IQ Store, allowing you to install third-party widgets, training plans, weather forecasts, and more. Garmin's AI-driven analytics may even offer personalized training plans based on your history, future goals, and fitness level. New software keywords: Garmin Connect upgrades, real-time workout coach, AI fitness insights, Garmin Smart Training, Connect IQ apps, fitness coaching wearable, release date and pricing. What to expect? When can we expect this powerful running watch to hit the market? Although Garmin hasn't officially confirmed a launch date, multiple sources suggest that the Forerunner 975 may be announced in mid to late 2024, with a potential release window sometime in Q3 2024. Leaked retailer listings and certification. Documents suggest development is well underway, which increases the likelihood of an earlier than expected release. As for pricing, expect a slight increase over the 965's launch price. While the Forerunner 965 debuted at around $599, the 975 could be priced between $629 and $690, depending on the inclusion of LTE and ECG features. New release and pricing keywords: 2024 smartwatch launch, Garmin Forerunner 975 price leak, Garmin Q3 releases, fitness watch pre-orders, LTE smartwatch price, ECG fitness tracker cost. Final thoughts: is the Forerunner 975 worth the wait? If even half of these rumored upgrades make it into the final product, the Garmin Forerunner 975 could redefine what a premium multisport GPS watch should be. From performance-driven athletes to casual fitness lovers, this device offers something for everyone, especially those who crave accuracy, connectivity, and deep health insights. Whether or not you should upgrade from the 965 depends on your personal needs. If you value ECG, LTE, solar charging, or improved recovery analytics, then the 975 could very well be a worthwhile investment. However, it's wise to wait for official confirmation before making any decisions. Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future, and that's it for today's deep dive into the upcoming Garmin Forerunner 975. Are you planning to upgrade or buy it at launch? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next big tech breakdown. Stay tuned for more insights, leaks, and deep dives into the future of fitness.